Today, I am sharing ideas for YouTube creators who prefer not to show their face on camera. So, whether you're camera shy, privacy conscious, or just looking to switch up your content or start a YouTube channel to begin with, this video is with you. So, today we're going to talk about a variety of video ideas that can help you create engaging content without ever showing your face. We're going to talk about product reviews to screen recordings to B-roll. There are countless ways to create content that resonates with your audience without putting your face in front and center. But a lot of these ideas are going to help you to rank in search as well to get more views. And if you guys don't know, you do have to get 4,000. And if you do want to make money on YouTube, you do need to be part of the YouTube Partner Program. So that means that you need 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. So it is a little bit of challenge of 4,000 hours of watch time within the past 365 days. So these videos are going to help you do that. So let's jump right in. The first one is stories with B-roll. And this is a great way that you can create content. And this type of content you can use if you are wanting to tell maybe an entrepreneurship journey and saying that you wake up in the morning and you make your espresso and you get to work and you start journaling and working. And then throughout your day, then you are doing different things and you can share how you're able to be productive. And this could be a teaching video, this could be a stories video, but I love using Canva because they have B-roll. I'll have a link for Canva Pro. With Canva Pro, they have a ridiculous library that is so extensive where you can put in different topics or different searches where you may have a story that you're talking about going to the beach with your family, or you want to really paint the dream of doing this and maybe saving up to pay for this vacation so that way you can run on the beach with your children, and then you want to go and really explore and be a nomad and do different things. So there's different B-roll that you can use that's right in Canva, and you can overlay this on top of what you're saying. And so this is a great way to do that. And Canva has so many different types of B-roll for any different type of topic that you are wanting to do. Even car wash videos, if you want to explain how to wash a car and talk about it and then have the footage overlay. The next type of video that you can do without showing your face for YouTube is haul videos. These are so popular, and as you can see with TubeBuddy here, I'll have TubeBuddy linked below, but these videos are so popular, and these are different types of hauls where people will show what they're buying for groceries, and you don't have to show your face. You're literally just showing the different products. And people do this with grocery hauls, but then they also may do like a Hobby Lobby haul of craft supplies, different things like that, clearance items, shop with me videos where they are literally just showing what they got on sale. This is 99 cents that they're showing. So haul videos are a really great way to make videos where you're not showing your face and you're giving them value. Look at this massive Hobby Lobby clearance. As you can see, she's not showing her face. She is literally just showing the product. Next type of video is screen recording with voiceover. So this is one that I do often on my channel where I am doing a screen recording. So this is one where I am showing how to use pretty links, and I'm showing the back end of my website with WordPress and showing you step by step how to use pretty links. So this is a great type of tutorial where people want to follow along with you. They may be a little bit confused about how to do it. So they want kind of like an over the shoulder view of seeing exactly what you're clicking so they can click as you go. The next type of video is animated explainer videos. And these are really popular where you are explaining a topic and you have it animated, and you may do the animations yourself. You may pay for an artist, or you may use some type of B-roll for it. But for this example, this is accomplish everything with mini habits. So this is a video that's going to help inspire you, help you to set up those habits. And rather than doing a simple talking head video, this is something that he can do to really animate it and really paint the picture and keep people engaged by these little images that are popping up. Next is a top 10 video or top 5 countdown list. These are really fun, and top 10 NBA players of all time. So Michael Jordan better be on this list. But as you can see, they have just intro of people playing basketball, a little B-roll of video cassette player, and here they have just the players where they are going through and showing images of each player that they're talking about. So they're talking about Shaq and Bill Russell and Kobe, Larry Bird, and showing footage of each individual person. And that is their top 10. So this is 100% just B-roll, which is really easy. And this is just a still frame image that they're just kind of panning to make it look like it's moving. Next up is slideshow videos. These are really great. These can be meditation videos where they are just slides and just going to help you to calmly go to sleep and just meditate doing different things. So this is a really cool way to just have slideshows so they just have still images and they are talking over it for a guided meditation. Next is podcast episodes with audio levels. So this is one that Amy Porterfield does. I love her podcast, and she literally will just upload her podcast episode. So this one is 37 minutes. It is a single still frame image, and then she just has the audio spikes. So as she's talking, you can see visually the audio spikes. But this is just a great way that she can have her podcast on another platform where she doesn't have to visually edit it, but she can still get the content out there for people to listen to. And it's just that still frame with the audio spike. Next up is compilation videos. And this is where you're taking a bunch of smaller videos and combining them into one. This is something that I actually do quite often. I have a bunch of Canva tutorials, and I will make these short Canva videos where it's explaining how to do one thing that's only a couple minutes long. But then I will also do a top 10 Canva tutorials. And then I'll combine a few of them into one. So this one is a longer video of top 5 Canva tutorials. I did film an intro on this one, so just ignore that part. But here is the different ones. So transparent background, and then you can also add the different chapters at the bottom, and then stock photos, videos, animations, templates, and this is just a bunch of smaller videos that I literally just put together in Final Cut Pro, which is my editing software, and then make a video out of it, and it is more views and another way to get additional content. There's also ones of funny cat videos where it is a bunch of just funny videos where people will use the video, and it's typically fair use. So this is just a video of a bunch of different ones with different funny things that the animals are doing. You also see this a lot with trick shots. This used to be really popular back in the day of YouTube when it first started. So must see trick shots. And so this is just footage that they use with different trick shots and different things. And it is just a bunch of smaller videos that they put together for you to watch in one long video. Next is ASMR. These are really, really popular, and they are ones that people use to go to sleep. And you are literally just showing typically your hands with a microphone and different things. And you are not using your face or anything like that. But ASMR videos are very, very popular. As you can see, this video alone has 46 million views, which is insane. And there is no face in this at all. Next is unboxing videos. And this one is one, I don't know why he's wearing gloves, but you're literally just showing what it looks like as it comes out of the package and opening it up and showing them everything that they're going to receive inside. Sometimes they'll do reviews of this as well, but literally just unboxing the product and showing what's inside. Along with that is reviews. So people love to make review videos, and you can do review videos of just one microphone. So unboxing a Blue Yeti and showing how it works, or you can also do reviews where you're comparing different microphones. So this guy is showing his face, but you can do ones where you're literally just showing the microphone and your hands, and you are not showing your face at all. I do have a shameless plug here. So here's my channel. This is my second channel. I do have another channel with 50,000 subscribers, but this is more of my tutorial online business channel. And I have a video of how to start a YouTube channel for 2023. It's a free course and it's 20 minutes long, and it goes into so many different parts of starting a YouTube channel. And this one, I am showing my face in it, but it is a great resource for you, and I've gotten a lot of really great feedback for it, from thumbnails to how to create one, to replying to comments, to different things of your YouTube channel, even affiliate marketing, sponsorships, different things like that. So definitely check it out. It'll be linked for you down below in the description. Next up is behind the scenes. People love behind the scenes footage of showing behind the scenes of an office or behind the scenes of a movie set and showing how a video is made or some of the things that they go into creating a video or creating a movie. So let's do YouTube set. So they are showing behind the scenes of how they're filming their YouTube videos and kind of giving a breakdown of it. So here's behind the scenes of Graham showing his YouTube set of what it looks like, kind of behind the scenes of the other angle and showing what goes into creating a video. So this is another great way that you can create a video showing behind the scenes of different things, from lighting to your camera background to your microphones, all of that. Next up is tutorial videos. This is something that I do a lot of, and showing just behind the scenes of how to create something in Canva and showing you step by step how I'm going to create it, how I'm going to add elements, how I'm going to kind of give this image a shadow. But a tutorial video is so easy to do in just a simple screen recording. You can use Loom, you can use screencast. There's many different, even Canva, you can use many different softwares to create a tutorial video. Next is crafting videos. These are really popular and showing you how to create, this is how to create tissue paper flowers. So they are just showing on screen how they are going to make it and show you the whole process. And as you can see, there's no face in this, just the tissue paper and the hands. Next up is cooking videos, and you can do videos where you are showing how to create something and you're just showing a like top-down image and showing what you're doing, how you're adding the ingredients. And this is a really great way to make content without showing your face, of just cooking step-by-step tutorials. Next up is travel videos and travel vlogs showing different places, or even travel guides and showing how to navigate a different country or a city and the tips that you have. And you can use just B-roll footage. This is just a map, but travel guides and travel videos of B-roll footage are really, really popular and really easy to make. Next up is whiteboard videos, in showing just you writing and the whiteboard, but you're not showing your face. These are really popular in Reels as well, but you can make whole YouTube videos out of these as well. Next is speed drawing. These are really cool if you are an artist, of showing speed drawing or painting, or how you're creating different art and showing it in a time lapse, so that way they can see it a lot faster, because I'm sure this is taking them a lot of time. But drawing, art, different things like that, this is a great way to have a channel where you're not showing your face. Next is time-lapse videos, and these are really cool. This is a time-lapse of a Minecraft build where they're showing how they're building that. And then along with this is gaming videos. Gaming videos are such a great way and so popular of not showing your face, and you're literally just recording your screen as you play video games. So if you are a gamer, this one is for you. Next is music compilation videos, and this you can have full albums of music. Now, obviously you have to pay for the music, but this is their full album. And as you can see, it is an hour and 17 minutes or an hour and 32 minutes, and it is all the songs. So people, if they have maybe YouTube Premium where they don't have ads and they may want to just have this in the background, this is another great option for videos where you're not showing your face. Next up is power washing, or I've seen these in like rug cleaning as well, where people love to see the before and after of a project in something like this. Like, I have no interest of power washing at all, but I will watch these videos because they are so satisfying to see, and they are just, I love it, absolutely love it. And they are a great no-face video where people love to see the transformation. Next up is cake decorating. If you're a baker or love making cakes, this is a great way to make videos where you can film your process. You just set up a camera on a tripod and film the process, and you can put music behind it, or you can then talk about what you're doing and explain as you go. Next up is drone footage or aerial footage. And if you have a drone, this is a great way to get footage and just do different videos and showing what it looks like from up top and going through tunnels like that spot they just saw. But drone footage is a really great way to create videos and people love drone footage. It is so beautiful, so peaceful, and just graceful, and a great way to see different parts of a area. Next is how-to videos. I personally use this all the time of how to fix my air conditioning unit, how to fix a leaky faucet, how to fix my toilet, and showing step-by-step how to fix something specific. This is stuff that people want step-by-step visually to see how to do it. So this is a great way to make content without showing your face. Let's keep the conversation going. If you want to watch my free YouTube course, check out this video here. And if you want to know some Canva hacks and some ways to improve your Canva skills, some easy graphic design skills, watch this video here.